Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Erica with Residentially Fashion, and today what I'm preparing is table settings for an event that is coming up in January, and they've asked to cut the cost. So what I'm doing is I've taken wine bottles, clear wine bottles, and remove the labels, clean them up and remove the labels. And then I've taken this gemstone ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. Actually, they only had one, so I'm going to have to go and search for more. And if they don't have them, I believe they also sell these at Hobby Lobby. So I may end up going to Hobby Lobby to pick these up. Okay, so what I did off camera was I took my glue gun and attached it starting from the bottom and swirling up to the top. Okay. Next, what I will do is I'll take this flower ribbon and I will do the same thing I did here on the bottle, but I will start from the bottom here, and I just want you to see what I'm going to do because I'm going to do this off camera, and then I will go up and around and stop there. See how pretty that is? I think it's really pretty. So, see the top? Yeah, really pretty. And of course I will have to cut off the excess at the bottom. But yeah, that's how it goes. So stay with me. I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start this off because this is a step-by-step process, and I want you to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start gluing these on the glass, and I'm going to show you how to start it off. Okay, so sorry about being off camera. I'll start that here, and I did have to cut some of the flowers off because I didn't want them to go underneath the glass. Okay, so here we go. I hope you guys can see this okay. And I will have to cut some more. In fact, maybe I'll do that now so you can see the process. So cut 2 off the bottom here. And just continue to hot glue. Uh-oh. Let me move this pan out of the way. So here we go. So just a dot of glue on just a few of them because you don't want your glue to dry out. Place it down. Don't pull it too tight because then they will stretch. That little seam or stitch in between there will stretch, and you don't want that because then it'll look really funny because of the stretching. Okay, next one. And as you can see, I have more to put glue on as I go up the bottle, and I think it's just 4 in a row going up from here on. Okay, so I'll go ahead and finish this process and I'll come back. Okay, so here is the completed bottle with the bling and the floral ribbon. Okay, so then next what I'm going to do is take this tea light from the 99-cent store, and I'm going to glue it face down with the light inside the bottle, so it will hopefully illuminate the bottle at the event. And it's okay, because if you ever need to change the battery, you just unscrew the top, replace the battery, and you're good. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so what I've done is I put a little glue around the lip of the bottle, and I'm going to secure it with some more glue on the edge. And that'll be hidden from the pom-poms, floral pom-poms that I'm going to be adding to the top. Okay, so that's that. That should be secured. And so once it's dry, then I'll be able to open it up. I mean, not open it, I'm sorry. I'll be able to, there you go. So, see, we have a light inside, and it shows down to the bottom. I think it's really going to turn out nice. Okay, this is the tissue pom-pom garland that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this, it comes on a garland, of course, like this over here. And since this is a black and white event, I chose, of course, black and white. So I just cut them off of the ribbon, off of the garland, and puff them up so it looks like, floral pom-poms. Puff them up. And what I'm going to do is tie it so it's secure. And then I'm going to cut these strings off, okay? So I'm going to cut them off. My scissors are dull. Come on, scissors. I'm going to have to go buy some more scissors, y'all. Okay, so I cut it off. And I'm going to do that with all of them. So what I'm going to do, you get 6 pom-poms with each garland. And what I'm going to do is put 5 on each bottle that I prepared. So tie this off. I tied it already before I started fluffing them. But, be on the safe side. Just do it again. And here we go. So just cut that off. If it cuts. This is crazy. And then what I'll do, now I have more over here. So altogether I'm going to put 5 on each bottle. I will start securing them to the sides of the bottle. Okay? And the top of it will be hidden. It's not going to be glued, but it's going to be hidden so you won't see what I've glued to the top, which is the tea light. Okay? Okay, so all my flowers are prepared now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these flowers together like this. Put a little bit here and there. Take a black one and just kind of glue it together. Because I'm not going to glue them to the glass like I had originally planned. And then take one, take another one. Is that glue? Stuck. Okay. Take another one. Glue that together. Just put them together like that. So this way, the person that's holding the event, the organization, it's a non-profit organization for children. And they have a lot of events. But this one just happens to be a fundraiser to raise money for scholarships for these community kids. Okay, so then I will place another one. Just glue another one. Just put the glue, just, you know, anywhere and just stick them together. I guess I should pull it apart. Okay, this one. And so it opens like this. And then take and glue these together so you'll have a circle. All right. Hold on a second. I have glue stuck to the outside of my glue gun. Sorry about that. Okay, so then I'll take and glue these together. So basically what I'm doing is creating a topper for the glass. Okay. Let's see, the glue is not taking very well. Okay. So that's that. And put that over here. Then I'll take the top one, because I don't want to glue anything, I don't want to glue anything here, because you need access to changing the battery, okay? So now what I'll do is just put a lot of glue here and set it on top of the other pom-poms. Okay, so here we go. And we have our center there. And once the glue is dried and they're adhered together, where they're, you know, not coming apart. Okay, everyone, the bottle is finished. Here it is here. It's sparkling. It's very pretty. I think it's very pretty. We have our light that we can turn on. I'll turn the lights out in a second. And it illuminates through the bottom of the glass really nice. Okay, and then here's our topper. Here's the topper. And as you can see, I've just put it together like a little hat and just put it on there, so they can use this bottle for other events. You know, just take the topper off, change it to whatever they want to use it for, and that is it. Okay, so I know you don't really get the essence of what we're looking at here, but it came out really nice. I really, really like it. So, you guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel today, and please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and if I need to do some things different, please let me know that too. Okay? Thanks so much. Take care. Okay, so here it is with the lights off. And you can see how it illuminates through the floral pom-poms. Okay, so I think they're going to like it. I like it. What do you think? Thanks so much.